Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today is, I believe, the first day of fall, and it is rainy, it's drizzly, it's getting a little bit chilly, but it was like 80 degrees today in Michigan, so it doesn't really feel like fall. It does feel like it's getting there a little bit now with the rain, and it's cooling off a little bit. Tomorrow it's supposed to be it's only supposed to be like in the low 70s, if that, so I think fall is finally coming. We had like this weird heat wave for, it felt like a really long time. And I was all for summer staying for like as long as possible until we had a cold streak. And then I prepared myself mentally for fall to come, and then it didn't come. So it's just been a roller coaster for me, like mentally trying to prepare for this. And then I kind of got excited for fall, and then it wasn't here. So anyways, today's Sunday, and we had kind of a busy day today. We had an 80th birthday party for my husband's grandmother. So that took up a lot of our day, and it was great to see friends and family and to get together like that. And then we came home, and there is a football game on. The Lions are playing today. So my son and my husband are watching the game inside. So I decided, because I don't really watch a lot of football, I watch it with them when they're watching it, but even though it's rainy and gross outside, I decided to go ahead and get my hands dirty. I wanted to pot. I had 4 mums that I bought at Costco earlier this week that I wanted to get potted and put on my porch. So I emptied out a couple of my hanging plants and my planters on my porch and replaced them with mums. So I did put some fall themed pillows out on my porch like a week ago when I thought the weather was going to be colder, but it wasn't. And I also switched out my summertime flag in my front yard. I switched it out to a fall themed one, and I'm going to kind of give you an overview of my front garden, like my landscaping in the front, so you can kind of see what it looks like. I don't think I've ever showed it on here before, so I thought you might like to see that. My hydrangeas are dying, but they're not dead. I don't usually cut those back until way later in the fall, so they're all still there. And some of my other stuff's a little overgrown, but I didn't really want to do yard work today in the rain, so I'm saving that for another day. And yeah, I'm not really sure what else I might do this evening. I might redecorate my coffee bar to be more fall themed, or I might do that in the morning when there's better lighting. I'm not sure. I guess we'll see where this video takes us. But thanks for being here, and let's get started. Okay, so this is my porch to begin with. I did already put a few fall pillows out, and I did change my fall flag in my front flower landscaping area. I still do need to do a few more things even after I change out these flowers, but this was just what I did on this day. forgot. I'm running back outside. There's a plane flying. Everything is noisy out here. I got this weekend at an estate sale, and I forgot I wanted to put it in my front yard. So I'm going to see if I can find a place for it to go. In the rain. It's like the perfect time to do this. It's raining even harder. I feel like the odds are stacked against me. Okay, let's go in there for now because it is raining so hard right now. Moving on to my coffee bar, I took everything down that was just an everyday decoration or things for the summer, and I pulled out all of the fall items that I wanted to decorate my coffee bar with. I just have various items that I figured I would piece together to make the coffee bar nice and cozy and fall-like. I picked this canister, this little container up at Target in the dollar section. I think it was like $3, and I decided it would be a good fit to hold all my little stevia packets for my coffee. My husband is a huge advocate for Velcro strips on the wall, so he placed these on the wall before the video for me. They are great for if you don't want to put any holes in your wall, and they come off really easy when you're done using them. I decided to just use an oversized coffee cup to hold a few coffee pods. I'm the only one in my house that drinks coffee, and I only have 1 cup a day, so this was plenty to get me started. And it was nice and simple. There is just something about having some fresh baked goods on this cake plate on my table, and here I am enjoying a chocolate chip cookie after a long day and a job well done. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.